The corporate over there. She did it. She did it all. Kaitlyn, it's your fault. She laughs. Like new. So yeah, I finished putting it back and I was watching a video and I'm sorry, the video ended like this.
If your glass was shattered, make sure you take off the adhesive.
And there we go. I went from this, Kaitlyn's doing. My finger through there because it's cracked. To fully restored. Oh yeah, the back was broken too. My daughter really did a trick on this. Anyways, that's her second phone she claimed. And there we go. It's turning on. So, no biggie. Y'all can do it.